HTML, audio. The HTML audio tag is used to embed audio resources in HTML. It allows you to play audio on your web page without the need for a third-party plugin. Here is an example of how to create an audio element in HTML. The controls attribute adds playback controls to the audio element. The iSource element specifies the URL of the audio file and its MIME type. The text your browser does not support the audio tag is displayed if the browser does not support the audio tag. You can visit additional sheet.com website for detailed explanation and use Playground for online code change. Conclusion. The HTML audio tag is used to include audio on a web page, allowing users to listen and control the playback. The source element specifies the URL of the audio file and its MIME type. The audio file should be in a supported format, example, MP3, OGG. The controls attribute adds playback controls to the audio element. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.